Get paid $920 searching YouTube for free. We are not kidding when we say you can earn serious money from YouTube videos. And it might just be the most enjoyable money-making trick out there. Admittedly, it is not as easy as clicking your fingers and the money appearing in your bank account automatically like magic. Nonetheless, making money out of YouTube videos remains a comparatively simple concept. To help you earn some dollars, we put together this step-by-step guide. You can thank us later by sharing with us some of your earnings, yeah? How much can you realistically expect to make from YouTube? We've all heard of the likes of Zoella, PewDiePie, and Logan Paul, plus various more agreeable people, earning millions of dollars every year from their YouTube channels. But for the bulk of YouTubers, the earnings are tons smaller. Also, keep in mind that YouTubers and channels often produce their own merchandise or sign advertising contracts with relevant companies, both of which can substantially add to the income generated from video views alone. Multi-channel networks. If you've already done a bit of research into making money on YouTube, you may have come across the term multi-channel networks or MCNs. As the name suggests, MCNs are essentially management groups for YouTube channels. A touch like how multiple musicians are going to be signed to one record label. Being part of an MCN could offer you access to raised quality production and editing facilities, the chance to collaborate with other channels or celebrities, also as help with marketing and growing your channel. How does the YouTube Partner Program work? The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is a scheme that allows video creators on the site to start monetizing their content. Members of the program can earn money from several sources, including adverts on your videos, YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content, channel memberships where paid subscribers get exclusive content, super chats where viewers during a live chat can essentially boost their comment to form it more visible to the streamer. Before I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please do not forget to smash the like sub button, and if you've got any questions, concerns, or suggestions, be happy to go away a comment down below. Now let's get started. Clearvoice.com. So this is the actual website to which you will need to sign up. This is the website that will pay you, and they will not be paying you in points, coins, or gift cards, but they will give you real cash which you can then spend on whatever you want. To make money with this website, you will need to use some strategies which I will be showing you in this video. Because if you just go straight to this website and you try to do it on your own, then it's going to take you a lot of time. It's going to require a lot of effort, a lot of skills, and a lot of experience. But I'm going to show you how you can get all of that done for absolutely free. I'll explain to you step by step on how to do this. The website is called Clearvoice, and the link would be clearvoice.com. And according to SimilarWeb, this website is being visited by over 600,000 people every month. So that means there's a lot of money to be made with this website. I'll explain to you what you will need to do with this website to make a decent amount of money. Clearvoice is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them. They will pay freelancers like me and you to write different articles for them, and I'm going to show you how you can get those articles for absolutely free and not from those PLR websites or whatsoever, because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. I'm going to show you a unique strategy to get those articles to get new and fresh articles every single time so you can get paid hundreds of dollars, because for each article that you copy and paste from the resources which I'm about to give you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars, and you can do it again and again for basically unlimited times. You just need a couple of sales to get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. So it's a powerful strategy to pay close attention to every step. Number 1, the first thing which you will need to do is to come over to clearvoice.com, then hover your mouse right here where it says Talent Network, and you will be able to see that people are writing articles within all these categories: advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software retailers, and much more. So you have all the different categories and all the different niches which you can think of on this website, but what you will need to do is click on number 2, join the Talent Network right here so you can get started, and you can get started by entering your first name, entering your last name, and clicking on Get Started Now. You can either sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or by signing up manually with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new free account on clearvoice.com, This is how you will be able to see your name, and there is your profile picture you can, of course, change your profile picture and click your own, and then you can add a background image. You can add more of your social accounts. The more of them you add, the higher your chances of getting hired, and the more money you will be able to make. Number 3. Now, first I want to show you different things you can set your rate. You decide how much you want to get paid, so whether you want to get paid 100 per article, 200 or 300 per article, you can set your rates. You will get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid on ClearVoice. Freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval work with the client confidence. You'll get paid on time, so they won't be late with their payments or whatsoever. They're reliable. If we scroll a little bit down, you'll see other people who are doing the exact same thing by clicking on their CVs. Number 4, so now I want you to go back to your account so you can get started by setting up your account. So you can start making your money here. On the right hand side, you will be able to see my CV completion. I need to complete it to 100% so I can actually start making my money, and to do so, I would need to improve my CV, so I would need to click Add Content right here in the right corner at the bottom so I can start adding those articles. But how do I get those articles done? How can you get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills or whatsoever? Here's exactly how, and just follow every step. First of all, you will need to do is head over to google.com. That's step number 1 of getting those articles done for absolutely free. Now, you want to think of what article you want to write, what category you want it to be in, so it can be anything from health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, whatever niche or whatever category you can find on ClearVoice. You can write an article about that category related to that niche. But here's the catch. You will not be able to just copy and paste that article from Google because you would get a copyright claim, and that can be a huge issue. And we want to avoid that. What you can do is just find an article that you think is a really good one, which you think is a good fit. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this one. You can go even to the 2nd or 3rd page of Google and find an article that you like. Once you do, I want you to copy at least one part of it, so you will copy this part and use an external platform called Spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free online tool which is going to rewrite those articles in your own words. It's going to do it for you free of charge. There's no need to even sign up for it. You can just go over to spinbot.com, paste the article in the box, and scroll a little bit down, fill out the captcha, click go right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and now the Spinbot tool will write that down for me in my own words. Step number 3 is to click on the file right over here, go to download, and download it as a PDF document. Then just go back to clearvoice.com, open up your profile, and click on Add Content right here. So you can add your PDF file, click on the upload file right here, find that article on your computer, double click on it until it loads, and here, now you will select the category of your article. So my article is all about finance. I can search for that. I will select business finance and personal finance, then file out these other boxes. I will choose a copy editor, and then on the content type, it's going to be an article. Then you can write a brief description of it and just hit update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you will be able to make. And of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as an untitled document because obviously that's not how it works. You will need to give it an exact title, so the more of them you add, the more you will fill out your profile. And with more articles, the more money you will be able to make once again. To repeat the process from this video, go over to Google to do your research and find those articles, copy and paste them into Spinbot. First, get them rewritten, and then paste them into Google Docs and download them as a PDF file. It's as simple as that. It can make you some decent amount of side income, so I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel with a notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is how to make money now in the next video. Bye you!